In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a date to a fiscal calendar in under 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing data for a business report or simply want to align your financial data with your company's fiscal year, this quick tutorial will have you set up in no time. All you need is the Tableau public app. So let's get started. First, open up your Tableau public app. This user-friendly platform is perfect for visualizing data sets and will be our playground for this tutorial. Once you have it open, navigate to your worksheet. This is where all the magic happens. If you're not familiar with where your worksheet is, you'll typically find it on the left panel under the Sheets section. Open it up and let it load. Next, locate your data field labeled Order Date and drag it over to the Rows panel in the middle of your screen. Initially, it might display the exact dates, so we'll need to change the format to reflect months instead. This is simple. Just click on the drop-down beside your newly dragged Order Date field on your rows and select the Month option. You should see all your dates nicely organized by month. Now, head over to the top menu and click on Data. From here, you'll select your data source, which should be listed under the Data tab. This is a crucial step because we want to ensure we're working with the right set of data. Once you have your data source selected, look for the date properties. Here's where the transformation truly begins. In Date Properties, you'll see an option labeled Fiscal Year Start. Click on it and choose your desired month to start your fiscal year. Maybe your company's fiscal year starts in April instead of January. That's exactly what you'd choose. Once you've set the fiscal month, hit OK to save these changes. Turning back to your worksheet, we need to fine-tune the fiscal settings further. Look again at the Order Date field on your Rows panel, click the drop-down arrow next to it, and navigate to the default properties. Here, choose Fiscal Year Start. It's important to ensure this matches the month you selected earlier. Doing this ensures that Tableau will automatically organize your dates according to the fiscal calendar you've just established. Finally, confirm your changes by reviewing the data source month. This ensures everything lines up perfectly with the fiscal year you desire. Once you've double-checked that the data source month reflects your changes, you're all set. You've successfully set up your data to follow a fiscal calendar in Tableau. Congratulations! This process makes it simple to align your financial reporting with whatever fiscal timeline suits your needs. And now you can analyze data more accurately according to your fiscal decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials.